Hey everybody, Angler Chris here. Today we're going to go out and do some hiking at the Frankenlust Township Nature Park. Right here, I got my faithful partner Karina, my buddy Evan, I got Natalie, my wife Tiffany in the bright green shirt here that you can see from satellite, and none other than the hiking baby herself, Astrid. We're gonna go out and explore this trail and we'll let you know how everything goes, so stay tuned. Here we have the map. We're starting off down here and we're gonna go up around here to Michael's Turtle Pond, and we're gonna make our way around here. Stay tuned, because if we find anything exciting, we're gonna be sure to catch it on camera. Here we are at the beginning of the trail, about to make our way up this hill. We got the hiking baby going, and she is taking a break. Oh, nope, now we're moving again. Come on, baby. Come on, you're almost there. And the hiking baby made it up the hill. Good job, Astrid, good job. So we came off the trail a little bit. The trail's right over there. But look at this little area down here. And you can see the road right over there. This is a cool little ravine right here. So we made it to this side. We got Fox Trail, Eagle View, and Turtle Trail. We're about to go down Turtle Trail here. Karina's leading the way.
Whoa, I don't think Mom can go.
Look at that view. This is a beautiful view, guys. There's where we came down the path. Coming over here, there's a nice little wooden bridge. Here's more of Michael's Turtle Pond. A nice little stream over here. Let me get over this way a little bit more. Oh, I'm guessing that was a frog moving. Pretty neat. Back to the turtle pond. Let's see if we can see any turtles. Got a nice little painter turtle right there. Oh, he went under. Let's see if we can see anything bigger than that. Look at the little painter turtle. He's so cute. Look at that painter. This view is beautiful here, guys. We're coming around this corner. This is Michael's Turtle Pond. Look at that. We're gonna make our way around this. A lot of beautiful scenery here. And this trail goes on for a little while. Then we had to take another break here because Astrid found some flowers. Oh, now she wants the grass. Okay, she's done. Apparently we're ready to move back on. Lead the way, Astrid. Here's a big view of the lake that is here. And the trail up ahead. We got Natalie lead the way. Here's a better view of the lake. We are not that far from the road though, but still, there's a lake right over here. still perfect for fishing. And one of these times I'm gonna remember to bring my fishing equipment. Another view of the lake here as we're coming up to a bridge. Oh, excuse me, Tiffany just corrected me. It's a boardwalk. So now we're going up on the boardwalk here, and Tiffany's leading the way. All right. That's still an awesome view. Look how beautiful these trails are here. Let's see what this sign here says. Oh my God, we're gonna go down the frog loop. Hopefully we can find some frogs. Coming down this trail with all this giant brush and everything. You got the lake over there. You got more brush over there. Sometimes I feel like I'm walking through Jurassic Park. And there's just gonna be a raptor one of these times that come out. And I don't know what happens after that. We'd have to see. But still, it's a beautiful trail. And we're still on a boardwalk. And Astrid's still going strong on hiking by herself and walking this whole trail. Okay, we made it to the end of the boardwalk here. We're going out to the view here. You can see there's ripples over there, so something came up over there. And it's still a beautiful view here.
People are sleeping. Some people are sleeping.
This has been a nice trail so far. And apparently all the kids are on break. I'm 32 years old. I'm not on break yet. My kids are on break. And I just missed the fish jumping. I don't know if the camera's gonna show them, but there's a bunch of little fish out there on the surface. Just moving around. Oh, they're coming in. Hopefully the camera's picking them up. Here we are leaving the lookout point. We're gonna continue the trail up here. Still like a Jurassic Park theme. Astrid's leading our way. Look at that giant tree. This trail is beautiful. This is definitely a must-come-to trail. Got a birdhouse out there. Look at that view. And then we're going to come up here. Here's more of the trail, and we're coming up to the next lookout point. Let me zoom in on that. See those ripples out there? Definitely looks like a big fish right there. You can still see the ripples from the fish that was trying to burrow down there. I did not come equipped to be able to walk out into water. So we're just gonna have to wonder what it was. I'm pretty sure I got it caught on camera. And we're gonna make our way to the next. Got another birdhouse there. And look at that beautiful view. And then to our left, got a log barricade right there. And we're continuing our walk to the next lookout point. Taking in all the nature. Zoom in. There's some geese. And Astrid's off break and pushing her stroller. Here's the next lookout point. Still a very beautiful scene. Astrid's on break. You can see the geese swimming off right there. The hiking baby is on break. This is our view here. We got more of the trail to come. Karina's leading us. You can see the fish's backs out of the water right there. He's trying to burrow down into them weeds. He has not come up for me to be able to see what he is yet. Looks like a carp. Pretty sure that's what it is. It is a carp. I just saw a little bit of his tail there. Look at this view from here. And then you can see our carp buddy over there. Zoom in on him again. And he finally made it under. And here's the rest of the view. So here we are continuing our way along the trail. We got some moving brush over there. I wonder what that could be. Let's check it out. Oh, I found a Karina lion. Stay put, Karina lion. And let's continue to move on. Let's go check out this view over here. Coming up on the trail. Looks like there was a little dock here at one time where you could walk out. Such beautiful scenery here. Continuing the trail here. Some nice shaded areas. Gives us a chance to cool off because it's getting kind of warm out here. Look at all this. And we're coming up to a sign here shortly. And let's see what this sign here says. Look at the view. To the Mallard Trail, we go this way. Or we can go to Pine Trail. Well, we'll make that call as soon as I get done right here. Look at the lookout point over there. There's a nice chair. We decided to go down the Pine Trail. The next trail we're going to be following here will be the Lilac Lane, and we're going to go this way. We're going down the Lilac Lane here. This is the view. Astrid's on break and got a pretzel. Just making me hungry. This Lilac Lane here seems to have a lot of beautiful scenery. I'm gonna get around this corner right here so we can see more. Look at that. That is not a trail, so we are not going to go down that. We're going to continue this way. Astrid came off break and is back leading the way. We're going to follow you, Astrid. Let's stay on trail, though. Astrid is such a good leader. Apparently, Astrid decided she's going to go back to Mama. But I've acquired a Karina. Astrid's back to leading. Karina's apparently taking a break. And we're going to make our way up to these signs to see what these signs say. I'm pretty sure we made it back to the entrance. And we did. Up there's the parking lot. This is the end of the trail right here. Everybody's catching up to us. This is the Frankenlust Nature Park. And this has been a fun hike. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Oh, we're coming up to the end of the trail. And there's our map. And we made it with everybody. And our car's right up here. I just want to thank everybody who tunes into our channel and watches us and has liked and subscribed to our page. It helps keep us going. Karina wants to say thank you.
Thank you. Like and subscribe.
Please like and subscribe to us, guys, so we can keep making awesome videos. Thank you.